How to book hotels in Bangkok Airways. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can book hotels in Bangkok Airways. So let's get right into it. The first step is to log in into your Bangkok Airways account. Once you're logged in using your PC, you'll be brought to the home page. On the home page, you can see trips.com at the top part of the screen. Then you can see other options like hotel, flights, trains, cars, attractions and tours, Bodu and Save. Then you can see other options as well. And by the time you scroll down, you can see beautiful places that you can visit using Bangkok Airways. So once you can see all of this, the next step is to go up and click on hotels since you're trying to book an hotel. So after clicking hotel, you can see that you will be brought to the hotel's interface, right? This is how you can go about it. So the next step is to come to the lower part of the screen where you can see destination. So you can just select it and then select where you are heading to. Okay. So after selecting where you're heading to, you have to select your check-in and your check-out process. So you can select your check-in, select your checkout, and then you can now select the number of people that will be in the room. Okay, so once you've selected this, click on done, and then you can just go ahead and click on search to check out available flights for those days that you have selected, and then you wait patiently for it to search. All right. So once it has loaded, you can see you will be brought to the home page. You can see shown map, and then you can see these hotels that are available during those days. Okay, so you can see all of the hotels. Yeah. So the next step is to check out their availability, and then you can also filter the kind of hotel you want by moving to the left side of the screen, and then you can include the types you want. Do you want a double bed? Do you want breakfast included? Once you selected it, the hotels that have breakfast included in their menu will then be loaded, and then once you can see this, you can then scroll down again, check out the location. You can also filter it using the location. You can filter using the hotel type, property type, if just hotel, then the bed type. This is to aid your just go through this and then filter it to select the exact type that you want, and then since you've gotten one, just click on check availability, and then you'll be taken to another page entirely. On this page you can see details about the hotel. You can see a rating showing very good, excellent location. You can also check out further reviews to be sure if you're ready to go for this, and then you can now scroll down and you can check out the rooms available. All right, so once you see the rooms, you can just select the one you want, click on reserve room, and you wait patiently for it to load. Once that's loaded, you'll be redirected to another page. On this page, you'll be asked to input your guest info, type in your name, your phone number, special request if there is any. Then you can click on final confirmation. And then by moving to the left side of the screen, you can see the price details, you can see the amount you have to pay. It is just go ahead, do all of this, and then the hotel would be booked. So this is basically how you can book hotels on Babcock Airways. Very, very simple. Ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching.